Welcome to this educational presentation on hospital indemnity plans. Today, we'll explore how these supplemental insurance policies can help protect your finances from unexpected medical costs that Medicare Advantage plans may not fully cover. Please remember, this is purely informational. We're here to help you understand your options, not to sell a product. Medicare Advantage plans offer broad coverage, but they still leave gaps. You may face daily copays for hospital stays, deductibles for inpatient services, cost sharing for outpatient procedures, and copays for emergency room visits. These out-of-pocket costs can add up quickly. A hospital indemnity plan provides cash benefits designed to offset these expenses, giving you an extra layer of financial protection when you need it most. Here's how these plans typically operate. First, a benefit is triggered when you're admitted to a hospital or undergo a covered procedure. Next, you submit proof of that medical event to the insurance company. Finally, you receive a set cash benefit, regardless of the actual cost. Most plans reimburse after you pay first, but some now offer direct payments. The real advantage is flexibility. You can use the money for any purpose, even non-medical needs like transportation, meals, or lost wages. These plans come with several important features. Affordable monthly premiums, often between $25 and $75. Customizable coverage with optional riders for outpatient surgery, ambulance services, or skilled nursing. Guaranteed cash benefits that pay a fixed amount when qualifying events occur. And freedom of choice, since benefits are not tied to networks, you're paid based on the event, not where you receive care. Let's look at advantages and limitations. On the plus side, hospital indemnity plans provide a financial safety net, predictable protection, and peace of mind for those on fixed incomes. They also cover extended hospital stays and don't restrict provider networks. On the other hand, you may have to pay up front before being reimbursed, coverage is limited in scope, premiums add to your expenses, benefits vary by carrier, and waiting periods may apply for pre-existing conditions. Your personal health risks and finances should guide your decision. Here are some examples of how a plan might help. For a 5-day hospital stay, Medicare Advantage could leave you with $1,750 in costs. With a hospital indemnity plan, you might receive $1,500 in benefits, reducing your final cost to just $250. For outpatient surgery, a $400 copay might be reduced to $50. And for an ER visit with observation, you could lower costs from nearly $700 to under $200. These are just illustrations, but they show the potential impact. Hospital indemnity plans may be especially useful for Medicare Advantage enrollees with higher hospital copays or deductibles, retirees living on fixed incomes who need predictable costs, budget-conscious seniors who want protection without paying for full Medigap coverage, and those with higher health risks, such as chronic conditions or family histories of hospitalization. Before enrolling, be sure to ask the right questions. What exactly triggers the benefit payment? How much is the daily benefit amount? How many days of coverage are included? Is there a waiting period? And how are pre-existing conditions handled? And finally, what documentation is required to file a claim? Carefully reviewing these details will help ensure the plan fits your needs. Here are the main points to remember. Hospital indemnity plans provide supplemental protection beyond Medicare Advantage. They balance small monthly premiums against the risk of large hospital bills. They are targeted coverage, focused specifically on hospital-related expenses. And because most operate on a reimbursement model, you need to plan for upfront costs. Think of these plans as a safety net to reduce your exposure to big medical bills. Hospital indemnity plans can be valuable tools, but they are not necessary for everyone. When deciding, consider your health history, financial situation, and comfort with risk. Review your Medicare Advantage plan's hospital costs, compare multiple indemnity options, and weigh premiums against potential expenses. If needed, consult a licensed insurance professional for personalized guidance. The right choice will provide both financial protection and peace of mind as you navigate your healthcare journey.